What's going on, everybody? Okay, it's been a while. My computer decided to crap out on me, so it won't let me send any to my phone so I can edit and put them on. But here's a couple runs from my boy Nick. Check him out at High Altitude STI. And this is his the ride along with his Subaru. It's all on my phone, so don't judge. Or judge, whatever. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy. Y'all have a great day. It's a little muggy out here today. Ew. Okay. And thank you guys for all of your support. We're up to 36 subscribers now. Woo! It sounds nuts though.
It sounds weird.
It's a lot of boost, Nick.
I got a little spot back further that I go. Big ass fucking truck.
Okay, give me the rundown for the YouTubers.
05 STI, Garrett, GT 3071R, stock location, Gen 2, 44mm tile, external wastegate, Tomei unequal length headers, full Tomei exhaust, NVIDIA bell mount downpipe, Tomei up pipe, all catless system. Injector dynamics 1050, injectors, Cobb, top feed fuel rails, injector dynamics fuel line kit, Walbro 255 pump, I don't know, it's full bolt-on, stock motor, never opened.
Okay.
Tuned by Winfield on right around 20 psi. Mexico.
No, it's a Nissan.
All right, we are now in Mexico.
Yay, yay!
Give it a little third gear roll on.
What's up, navigator? That's crazy. It's not as snappy as it was before.
No.
But she's fucking scooting out, dude.
Yeah. I'll do a 20 roll and you'll feel a little more lag on the 20 roll. Turn around and go back that way. Yeah, you can feel the lag a little bit and then it moves. Big turbo problems.
Yeah.
Or bigger turbo.
Bigger.
Still small.
Still small, but
still small turbo.
for a 2.5.
Oh, Expedition's turning. Find a little turnaround spot here. I'm gonna use your driveway real quick there, mister. Here's a little first gear roll on.
job, man. Good job. This thing's fucking ripping, dude.
She does her job. She does her job nicely. Get to Mexico here. We'll do a little, once we cross the bridge, we'll do a 40. So I figured out 40, I think, is this car's sweet spot now with this turbo.
Yeah?
Yeah, it used to be 20 with the smaller turbos, but I think this one at 40 is pretty damn responsive.
Cherry spot.
This guy's puking. Get him. Oh, he's puking. I'm sorry, buddy.
Okay, I did that too last night.
A little backfire for you. So here's 40, no brake boost.
That blow off level. Yes.
That was 22.5 pounds
Okay.
right there. What's nice with this turbo is it holds it to a red line.
Yeah.
It doesn't taper. Yeah, it holds